Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mugdha and today I'll be creating this look using some amazing new products that I've got. For eyeshadow, I'm using this ultra beautiful colorful palette by James Charles and Morphe collaboration, and we are using P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumour 2. This is the most famous eyeshadow base and it really makes your eyeshadows pop. With the help of a small brush, I'm spreading it onto my eyelid. Now taking a small amount of loose powder to set it. Taking a precise blending brush and picking up this light purple shade and placing it lightly in the outer corner and blending it slowly into our crease. Lightly we are dragging the color into the inner corner of the eye and gently blending it in. To add more depth into our crease, I'm picking more color and specially trying to deposit it into our outer V to make it more saturated. Picking up a flat brush and with the help of a concealer, I'm cutting my crease here. And now we'll go into this beautiful purple shimmer shade and we'll place it with the help of our finger to get the maximum payoff. Now we are off to the final step. We'll just pick up this purple shade and blend the edges and soften them. To complete my makeup, I'll go ahead and put on some foundation. This is my favorite foundation by Maybelline. Trying this concealer by Morphe for the first time, and it is such a great match and it is very creamy. Also, I'm trying this contour highlight palette by NYX for the first time, and it was very easy and quick to use for a quick contour, and it is a very travel friendly packaging. It blended very easily and seamlessly into my skin. Blending the concealer, I fell in love with this one. Such a great coverage and how easy to blend. Using this powder concealer shade from NYX palette to set my concealer. This 3-step NYX palette is good for a quick job, but I totally fell in love with this Morphe concealer. I highly recommend this one. I am making a custom lipstick shade again, starting with this muted pink nude color by Stila and lining my lips with purple shade. Look how well it goes with our eye makeup. To tie the whole eye makeup, I'm doing white on my waterline, the classic wing eyeliner, smudging our lower water lash line with some purple, adding a pair of lashes, and this look is done. I had so much fun creating this eyeshadow look, and I've listed all the products in the description box below. Thanks for watching.